Hi friends, good day. Today, let us try to understand about what is advertising, what are the types of advertising, and what are the right advertising platforms for your business needs through this video. Before we go in,
Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
advertising is a form of communication that is paid for by an advertiser and is designed to influence the behavior of consumers. Advertising has been around since the late 19th century. It was first used by a soap manufacturer who wanted to sell more products. Today, advertising is used in many different industries and it can be seen on TV, in magazines, on billboards or online. Advertising is not just about the messages that are being communicated, but also about the way in which these messages are being communicated. In order to be effective, advertisements need to be able to reach as many people as possible, and this means that they need to be seen on various platforms. The purpose of advertising is to reach a targeted audience and convince them to buy the product or service being advertised. Types of advertising. There are two types of advertising: persuasive and informative. Persuasive advertising aims at changing people's attitudes about a product or service, whereas informative advertising provides information about a product or a service without trying to persuade people into buying it. Direct advertising. This type of advertising is when the advertiser delivers their message to the audience directly. The audience can be a group or an individual. Indirect advertising. This type of advertising is when the advertiser delivers the message to people who are not aware that they are being advertised to. The audience does not know that they are being advertised to because it's done in a subtle way, like on TV, radio, newspapers, and magazines. Public relations. This type of advertising is when an organization tries to make people want to buy the product or service through news releases and stories about them in the media. Creative and artificial intelligence in advertising. Advertising has come a long way from the days of just being a simple billboard. Nowadays, advertising is all about creativity and the ability to tell an engaging story. With new technologies such as AI, we are seeing a future where creativity is headed. Creativity plays an important role in advertising because it helps brands stand out from the competition and engage with their audience on a personal level. Brands use creativity to tell their story and get people interested in what they have to offer. Creativity will continue to be important in advertising. But as technology evolves, it will be used differently. Many companies are using AI to generate creative content, which saves time and money. Ways to improve your marketing strategies. Advertising is the most common way to promote a company's product. It can be either an expensive or cheap way to promote your product, but it does have its own limitations. There are many ways to advertise a product, but the most popular ones are advertising on television, radio, billboards, and social media. There are also other more specific ways of advertising, such as using influencers or a public relations campaign. Advertising may be a good strategy for businesses to promote their products, but there are other more cost-effective options such as word-of-mouth campaigns and email marketing. Word-of-mouth campaigns allow you to leverage your current customers to help spread the word about your business. Marketing and advertising. Marketing is a process of promoting and selling a product or service. It is a way to communicate with customers so that they will buy your products or services. Advertising is the process of attracting public attention to something, typically by paid announcements. The 5 best ways to improve your marketing strategies with advertising are: Number 1. Create an engaging message. Number 2. Develop an engaging content strategy. Number 3. Implement social media marketing. Number 4. Use online advertising platforms. Number 5. Create a clear call to action. Choose the right advertising platforms for your business needs. Advertising is a significant part of any marketing strategy. The right platform can help you reach your customers and make your campaign successful. So before you start advertising, it's important to consider the following points. Number 1. What is the target audience? Number 2. What are the marketing objectives? Number 3. What are the budget limitations? Number 4. What channels can be used for promotion? Number 5. Which platforms should be used for advertising? To conclude, in today's modern economy, advertisements are more important than ever before. They are used to promote and sell products and services. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe and do share.